No, answer me another question.
Sure.
What do people like me need to do for you to compete with DJI successfully? Answer me that question.
Sir, I am proud to say with next 3 years, we will be competing the DJI. Because 80% of the components right now we are developing in-house in Kochi. Maybe our rest of the R&D is finishing in 3 years. So right now
So you make your own motors?
Yes, own motors. But sir,
what type of motors you make?
BLDC motors. And the fact is, we depending upon brushless and duct fan also. And we depending on the infrastructure of Hitachi, other corporate infrastructure for developing that motors.
What size drones do you make?
Size largely carrying 50 to 100 kg payload.
Can I come and see?
Yes, yes.
Where is it?
Kochi, sir.
Okay. Here itself?
Yeah.
Kochi. Sorry.
I also bring some of our product to showcase to you.
But you have something here?
Yes. In my car. Yes.
Oh, you have it here? You brought it here?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Happy to showcase you, sir. Okay.
No, sorry, you were asking.
No. We just want to no, please. It's your floor. But no, we also want to see because you're working on the agriculture.
But I'm going to call you on that.
Yeah.
3 years from now, I'm coming and seeing that you've knocked down DJI. You're not getting away simple, right?
Yes, I'm sure, but.
No, I'm coming. I'm coming 3 years to see.
We'll note it down. Thanks, Evan. Unless you wanted to add something about the agriculture use cases and data or something that you think is relevant.
Yeah, sir. Actually, we are 5 years old company. So myself, Devan Chandrasekharan, I'm the founder of Fuselage Innovations, and we are the National Startup Day. We are the one of the National Startup Awardee from Honorable.
How many people?
43. Total.
43 people working.
Yes, 43 people working. All are from Kerala.
And you designed them yourself?
Yes.
Quadcopters?
Yeah, quadcopter. And for marine innovation also we are working for handling the heavy payloads in marine through cranes.
Right.
Lifting the heavy payload on an average 10 tons. That is also we are working with the...
How do you react to what I said about circular motion and the electric motor?
Yeah, electric motor actually we are in-house around from 70 kV motors. So we are
No, I mean, I was saying that we are seeing a revolution in circular motion.
Okay.
That we are going from the petrol engine to the electric motor.
Okay.
How do you think about that?
Sir, there are limitations are there in regards to the flight time. Only the power is a major challenge. Like we already having limitation, the high quality of lithium. That is a major issue. But we are working for the lithium with the phosphorus for getting the most higher flight time. Once it is done, we can replace the engine with the batteries.
Do you think electric vehicles will replace internal combustion engine vehicles? Or no?
Not right now, sir.
But 5 years, 7 years, 10 years?
Yes, it will happen.